everybody, this is Daily Math number 19. All right, so for this first one, it says find the mode of the data set, which is 15, 18, 12, 20, and 9. So as you guys know, I have a wonderful song that I like to sing when I talk about mode, median, range, all that kind of stuff. And it starts like this. It goes mode, mode, mode's the most. So mode is the most. Mode is the number that occurs the most in a data set. So looking at this data set, I notice there's only 115, 118, 112, 120, and 19. So in this case, there's actually no mode. This is totally a trick question here. If our data set looked something like this, what would the mode be for this one? Well, in this case, there are two 2's in our data set, so that one occurs the most, so 2 would be the mode. Just wanted to give you guys an example where there is an actual mode here. All right, next one. Laura was learning to make flower arrangements. In one arrangement, the ratio of carnations to daisies is 5:3. If the arrangement has 25 carnations, how many daisies should it have? Usually when I'm using a rate table like this, I like to just go ahead and double until I get to where I want to be. So I'm going to go ahead and double 5, and I'll get 10, and double 3, and I'll get 6. And then I can go ahead and say, well, looking at how many columns we have here, we know that this is probably going to go up by 5, right? So we can see from 5 to 10 goes up 5. So we'll have 15, and then we'll have 20, and we'll have 25, which is our desired amount of carnations, right? So from here, I'm noticing, down here, while it's going up by 5 up here, it is going up by 3 down here. So 3 to 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, and 12 plus 3 is 15. So taking a look at this, if the arrangement has 25 carnations, how many daisies should it have? It should have 15 daisies. All right. Last one, find the prime factorization of 32. When I find prime factorization, I like to go ahead and create a factor tree like this. And then I think to myself, what multiplied by what is going to give me 32? The first one that pops into my head is 4 times 8. Okay. From there, I'm going to break down the 4 to be 2 times 2. I know that 2 is a prime number because its only factors are 1 in itself. So I'm going to go ahead and circle both of these 2's so I know to include them in the prime factorization. Up next, I have 4 times 2 for 8. This 2 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. And then I'm going to break down this 4 to be 2 times 2. And these here are both prime as well. So now we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. So the way I'm going to write that is 2 to the 5th power. All right, that's it for today's Daily Math. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please send me pictures of your work as always. I'll talk to you all soon.